Hi viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this lovely Townstar. This is the very known 1.3 petrol engine, the one that we love to pieces. Yeah, this is the big boy. Now we're not going to be working on the engine today, but we're going to jump in and see what is the customer complaint. This van is fairly simple, so none of the windows work. So the window actuator, they don't work uh, from the main switch. From the main switch here, if we operate the switch up and down, nothing works. Driver side window does not work, and then the passenger side does not work as well. One other thing, and this is one of the reasons why the vehicle is here. So the customer already replaced with a genuine switch, and obviously the fault's still there. So the fault, as I said, is still there. It did not change a thing. So we're gonna see what's going on with it. One other thing is we can actually operate the passenger window. So passenger side going down and going up. It actually works. So now we're gonna do a few tests here quickly, just to test if the actual motor, if the wiring between the switch and the motor is good, if our signal, our signal or our signal wire is good, obviously going up and down, and obviously we're gonna test with the test light as well, just to make sure that everything is good. So test light. So we're gonna test the power supply, which is good. Then we're gonna test the other power supply. So it's more than one. So we do have good power supply here. And then, as I said, the green wire, it's the signal to that tell the actuator or the window actuator to go up. And then let's see if that so basically this is, we need to ground this wire. So we're using the test light, green wire. I think you can see there. And then the blue with a white strip is our signal to go down. Think you can see it. Think you can hear it. So our signal wire from the switch all the way to the motor is good. The motor is good. The signal to go up and down is good. Our power supply is also good. We're gonna quickly do a continuity test, just to make sure that our ground is also good. I mean, this is looking like a bad switch. So continuity test, and then the ground on wire. I think you can hear it. We do have good continuity. Just going to quickly do check the terminals. Just make sure that they are good. So the grab is good. The last thing that you want is say, well, this component is no good, and then you have like a spread open terminal causing the problem. This is my tool. It's basically another test light, but it's got the exact same terminals, the male. So we're gonna quickly test the pin grab. Yeah, it does seem good. It's not loose at all. Very good grab. You can see it there. It's not spread open. Oh, there's nothing there. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I don't know about you guys, but it looks like a bad switch to me. Comment down below what you reckon at this point. What would be the fix for this? Now we just went ahead and ordered a new switch. As we can see, the original switch is still there. Um, brand new switch. And then, yeah, guess what? So ended up being a bad switch. Our job done here, so ended up being the bad switch. Obviously, we quickly tested just from the switch without taking much components apart. So we quickly test the power supply, the ground. Um, I always like to use a test light because obviously, if you test with a meter, you could go down to the rabbit hole. Well, obviously, as you probably know, but if you don't know, um, having good voltage doesn't mean that the wire can or carry good current. So if you put some load, sometimes if the wire is not good enough to carry some load, if you put some load on, so the voltage goes straight down. Obviously, this sort of circuit doesn't need a hell of a lot of, or doesn't carry too much current. But don't forget, an electric motor is always an electric motor, so it does need to have a decent kind of the wiring integrity needs to be good, in good condition. We could see that straight away doing those basic tests. So that's all that I've got for the video today, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Take care. So basically, after a little bit of research, what we actually discovered was um, there was absolutely nothing wrong with the switch that the customer fitted on there. What we found was the actual this switch, it's not correct for that vehicle. Because the switch that we fitted on there, the one that we saw that it actually works, um, it's the one that with one click you actually can open the window all the way up. You don't need to hold the actual button, and then on the way down exactly the same. So apparently there is two options for that specific vehicle. Obviously this one, the actual part number is not is different from the one that we fitted on the vehicle, and it actually works. So um, you will have the right part number on the description down below. Check it out if you wanna, if you are if you come across this before.